There we go. I tried hard to get her to just leave me alone, people. I tried so hard to just get her to leave me alone. She wouldn't leave me alone. And I'm not upset now. She understands why I was mad. I never said sorry. But we have agreed to agree, I guess. She just thought I didn't understand her when I understood exactly what she was saying perfectly well, and she just wouldn't accept that I just didn't agree with her. Oh man, alright, here we go. Noise. Noise. Bye. I'll see you soon. Alright. I'm going to read this, and then you guys tell me what you think, and then I'll post it. My fellow apes, a wonderful female ape named Ashley has shared some thoughts with me, which I thought was worthy to spend some time to write out my understanding of her thoughts and share it with you all. I thought it was and share it with y'all. Do you remember when Tesla did a stock split and went from a share price of $8,000 to only $60? Even though the market cap did not change, the buying frenzy skyrocketed. The stock was cheap again. More buyers means a higher stock price. A higher stock price means more damage to the shorts. More damage to the shorts means a tighter squeeze and even a higher stock price. All arguments, goals, and logic fit perfectly with zero downside effects. If nothing else, it can drive enough excitement to vote, helping crush the 100% needed voter turnout for a proper recall. Hello? Does Mama need something? Or are you just coming in to beg for food? I got no food for you. I got no food for you. We're going to walk in like 10 minutes, okay? You got a doctor's appointment today, bro. You're not going to like me. The idea is simple. Looking at other stock splits, we can see several accomplishments. One, what is a stock split? A stock split is when stocks are multiplied by a ratio, let's say 10 to 1, and all shareholders receive that ratio more in shares. So you make and lose nothing because the share price will drop by the same ratio. What is the advantage of GME doing a 10 to 1 stock split? Everyone gets equal value to what they have now. The stock price of GME would be $14. And then there'd be 10 times as many stocks and options. Number 3, why is the $14 stock price beneficial? Not all brokers offer partial shares. AMC is so easy to buy the dip for many because their weekly check seem more significant buying 10 cheap shares than one expensive share. We all understand market caps make the actual stock price irrelevant, but not all understand this, making GME way more attractive at $14 instead of $140. Also, it's an event. Tesla went from $8,000 a share to $40 a share, or I think it was $60, and then all the way back up to $800. And then all the way back up to $800. I hope everyone takes the time to consider signing this petition requesting Ryan Cohen and the board add to the voting agenda to vote for a stock split as well. The 10 to 1 ratio seems very appetizing to me. Options and shares are both taken care of proportionally in a stock split. No one loses. Create noise. Make it look more enticing to oblivious investors. Boom. Upload. The game stop. Alright, go to the description of my video, people. Go to the description of my video and go ahead and sign that petition as well. Jonathan Scott, I'm better than you in every possible way. What do you think that you've done in your life that's better than what I've done in my life? Have you taken the time to see how much better I am than you in real life? In every meaningful way, whether it's how much money we've made in the past, whether it's what obstacles you've overcome, whether it's how much you've been beaten down by society or injuries or sicknesses, like in every measurable way, I am 10 times the man you've ever even dreamed of becoming. And I'm only 30 years old. So unless you actually are fucking Elon Musk and you actually think that you have a leg to stand on against me, get the fuck out of here. Because I'd make Elon Musk look like a fucking bitch too. And that's what you guys don't understand. This shit that I'm doing for you motherfuckers. I should have never been here in the first place. I'd be rich if I never would have fucking started YouTubing. That's a fact. That's a fact of life. Yeah, Jonathan's a little bitch boy. Jonathan's definitely a little bitch boy. Everyone should think about not being like Jonathan their entire life. Oh, look at this. How beautiful. We got a phone number up here, and he's blasting up my chat talking crap, but he won't even call a phone number to actually defend his thoughts, because he is a pussy. He is as weak as they come. Good to know. Why would somebody say, who is this? I didn't freaking call you, fool. I can't even call out. I can't even text out. Jonathan is a weak, weak, weak little child. How pathetic and weak. How pathetic and weak. Alright. Well, if he didn't got nothing smart to say, we'll just let him go. So, the after hours are looking pretty appetizing. AMC at 1088. Basically, what I'm thinking is with AMC, I'm probably going to be looking to cash out the calls. Oh, man. I really want to believe that it's going to go to 1250. Here's my thing. Here's my thing with AMC. I kind of believe that tomorrow's not going to be a good day. Today's going to be the best day for the week, and then tomorrow's going to be nothing but bad. And the reason I say that is because Fridays have historically been very bad for us. Am I making that up, or can we actually mathematically see this? The reason I believe this is true is because the options expire tomorrow. So if they drive the price down tomorrow, then whatever options they can get below, they won't have to pay the profits to. So let's take a look at something real quick. What we were going to look at, we were going to look at the AMC historical stock price. Then we're going to come here. Alright, let's just go back to after the February event where I made a lot of money. And so let's start. Let's see what the low was on after that event, which looks like. So we're going to go right here at the 763. Okay? 763 is the low. Let's, after that February crazy event. Let's see what is going on here at this time. We are on March 5th. March 5th is a Friday. So after we had the huge spike of volume in GME, and AMC had a nice little pop with it as well, went all the way to $11. It fell all the way to $763 on a Friday. The very next Monday, it went from $763 to $948. You guys see that, people? That's literally a 20% day. The volume was super heavy as well. So that kind of makes sense. But AMC had lots of heavy volume. So that's really not that heavy because AMC's been having this volume constantly. So it's really not that heavy. But anyways, we went from a 763 and then we went to a high of 948. Basically, if we look at the next Friday was the 12th. So we went all the way up to 1247. By Friday, after hitting 1247, we fell all the way on Friday to 994. Then what happens? Monday, we hit 1449. Okay, 1449. By Friday, the 26th, what? Oh, no, not the 26th, the 19th. We were from 1449 to 1328. So they couldn't get it that low, but they still lowered it. Then on Monday, it opened up basically dead even, and then they were able to drop it to where Friday on the 27th, the 26th, because the 27th was a holiday, So this was the expiration date, was the 26th, and they got it all the way down to $10.01. And then on the next Monday, it opened up positive, and all the way to April 2nd. Nope, April 1st, because April 2nd was a holiday, it appears. And look at this. All the way down to 9.15. And then we went up to 10.10. We went up 10% on April 5th. And April 9th was the Friday. And we went up from, so April 5th, 10.10 to 10.50. We went up a little bit. And then by April 9th, the Friday, we're all the way back down to 9.24. Monday, we open up positive 20 cents. And then by Friday, well, I mean, we're at basically the bottom here. So let's see what happens on the 16th. We hit 9.09. We're 30 cents lower than where we started in the week. So anyone that bought options got crushed that week. Then the next time we come up, we start up 40 cents right here on the 19th. And the Friday is the 23rd. And we close slightly up. So if you bought 950 options, you probably barely broke even, honestly. And then we got the 26th was a Monday. We open up 50 cents positive, so 5% up. And on that Friday, the 30th, we are down a full dollar again after hitting a high of somewhere in the middle at 11.68. So basically, guys, if you see the pattern I just told you about is totally accurate, totally legit. The reason it's happening is because options are the most expensive on Mondays, and Fridays is the day that they have to cover, basically, for themselves to actually make the profits, where you guys are closing out for profits or losses no matter what. And so every Friday, their goal is to drop the price down. It looks like AMC's going up today. I'm kind of expecting like a 12.50. I don't think they can keep it down too low. I'm expecting a good jump, and I'm going to hold for at least a little bit, the first 30 minutes to an hour, and see how high it can go. And then I'm definitely going to be cashing out profits, because I know Friday's never a good day for us. The only time Friday's been a good day for us was on GME, and that was back in January when they halted the stock and only allowed selling. They tried to open it up again on Friday, and we just crushed them again, and then they closed it again. But yeah, if you guys don't see that, then you're crazy. Did you see that firm that Nancy Pelosi has a huge stake in, bought $5 million in AMC last week? Take it into consideration. Nancy is known to be an inside trader. Meh. I'm not really worried about that stuff. I don't consider it inside trading to buy Tesla. Everyone was buying Tesla before her, and then she bought Tesla. I don't care if Tesla is getting a contract. Like, Tesla's going, like, she missed a huge jump in Tesla for the first 6 months and then bought in. Like, I don't care to hear about the insider trading stuff. It sounds like hype to me, fake hype to me. I only like the real stuff. I like the real stuff, people. That data I just showed you right now was the real stuff. We just broke 1090, people. 7 minutes still open. We just broke 1090. We are at 1091 right now. Let's go. Gonna be cashing out some of these call options for some profits. Let's go. I hope it moons every day, not money advice, but you know I have a strategy that I'm going to play, and I got these $40 strikes that will print a lot of money if it moons, but if it doesn't moon, I got these other things that I'm playing a trampoline bounce on, and I'm counting on 100% every 3 weeks, every 100% every 3 weeks for the next 6 months until this squeezes. And so I'm prepared for it to squeeze today, but if it doesn't squeeze for another 6 months, I'm going to make a lot of money. And you guys will jump on board after I've made probably 200%, I'm sure. But I'm going to start making money right now, so you do you, I'll do me. What up, Ashley? Thanks for coming back. You guys don't understand. I was so mean and disrespectful to Ashley. And I just wanted her to leave me alone. Like, maybe we'd repair it some other time. But, like, she just would not get the message. I wanted her to leave me alone. Just stop talking to me, please. Because she was only making me more upset. And she wouldn't stop. She wouldn't stop. She wouldn't stop. And so I finally indulged her, and I started giving her big old long descriptions as to why I thought everything she was saying was mentally freaking handicapped. And then she totally changed the subject and starts talking about some stupid crap that like has nothing to do with what we were talking about. And it's totally useful, and I like it. And so I made a petition about it. And I think it's another thing that like if for whatever reason we don't break the 100% voting in AMC or GME by July, because they both got a vote coming up, if for whatever reason we don't break that 100% threshold, then we have to quadruple, super, mega double down on all my petitions, because next year will be the year. Like, this is going to be a 12-month battle. If it does not happen in the next 2 months, this is a 12-month battle, people. If this does not happen in the next 2 months, this is a 12-month battle. That is my prediction. That is my prediction. It could be tomorrow or the next 2 months, but if not, then it's 12 months. It's at the next stockholder meeting that we win. Alright guys, we got 4 minutes still open. Let's go ahead and pop up our E-Trade so we can see it nicely like we used to back in the old days. Back in Nome, I was cooking Alaska, walking along, singing a song. Some jack comes saying, "Hey, how you use this grenade?" So I tell him, you pull the pin and you run, and they all blew up. Something like that. I haven't heard that shit since I was like 10. Some crazy kid I used to hang out with used to always say shit like that. I don't even know what it's from. I'm sure you degenerates know where it's from, but I don't. I just know back in Nome, I was camp cooking in Alaska, or walking along, singing a song. Something, something, something. Let's go. Let's go. GME and AMC have a day. Let's go. I like seeing the pre-market hours this high much more than I like seeing the after hours after the market closes. So I know that we've been screwed on some pre-market opens, but typically that was when we had a good after hours also. So the after hours is high, the pre-market's high, and then it crushes right at the open. But yesterday we didn't have any pre-market or after hour action, and now it's booming. That gives me really good vibes, people. That tells me that it's not just hope, like it's not just hype. They're not just trying to crush our hopes. Like, to me, it tells me it's going to hold. I think it's going to hold. I think it's going to go up. I think this is just the beginning. I think buying power follows this. Let's go. I could see 1250 today. 1250 today is what I'm looking for. 1250 today is what I'm looking for. Let's go. Let's go. Let's print some tendies. We want tendies. We want tendies. We want tendies. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give us some tendies. They're letting it go up so they can crash it on Friday, people. They can't let it go up on Friday. Friday can never be a good day. They're letting it go up so they can crash it on Friday, people. Today's the day to print some tendies. I'm going to cash out some of my option profits on my trampoline stuff. 1250, baby. 1250 is what I'm looking for. GME, I would love to see a 170, 175. That would be glorious. Let's go. Uh-oh, uh-oh. AMC's pulling back. Don't you dare do that to me. Don't you dare do that to me. Let's go, AMC. It's open time. Let's go. What you gonna do for us, AMC? Uh-oh, it's crashing. 1069, 1070. Let's go, AMC. Here we go. Charts updating finally. What's gonna happen? Round and round it goes. Where we're going, nobody knows. Where we're stopping, nobody knows. 1065, 1066, 1068. 1070, 1072. 1074. Let's break 11, baby. We're breaking 1080 here in a second. Here it comes. Let's go. Let go. It's definitely going back up, guys. I got no doubts. Watching this price action, they're just trying to hold it back for a couple seconds, try to get some people to paper hand. That's all this is. It's going up. Faux show. I do have to go drop my dog off at a doctor's appointment in 2 hours, and I'll probably log off here in like, actually I'm going to go walk my dog right now. That's what I'm going to do. Ooh, we're at 1078. We're at 1078. I'm going to go walk my dog right now because I know I'm not selling until like 12:50. So you guys enjoy the price action. I will be right back. And then, yeah, if it gets to 12:50 before I take my dog to the PetSmart, then I will probably cash out before I go to PetSmart. But otherwise, I'll just do it towards the end of the day. I expect today just to be a good day, and then tomorrow just be the worst day possible. Honestly, that's kind of what I'm expecting. You'll see how I play it today, though. Like anything I play, you guys will see it live. So just hang out. Let's go, Doggy. How we doing, people? Woo! 10.95, baby. I do not hate that. 150 on GME. Woo! Let's go. Did we hit a high of 11.11 so far? Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. 153 on GME. Oh, shit. Oh, man. That's a good day. Let's go. Let's go. Gotta crush that $11 mark. Gotta crush it. Can't be difficult. We gotta crush this shit. I'm still looking for 1250, people. 1250 before they start crushing it. That's my magic number. But I don't think it goes above 1250. Not today. Definitely not tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think, is a red day. If you guys did not see why I think tomorrow is red, you should go back and check it out. Here we go. 11.10. 11.11. We're back at the new high. 11.12. We just hit a new high. 11.13. 11.14. 11.15. 11.16. 17. 18. 19, 21, 23. Let's go, AMC. That suck. That suck. Oh, man, that's sick. 28, people. 11.30 is the new high. 11.30 is the new high. All right. Let's check out my bro's brokerage account and see how he's doing. He should be sitting not too bad. Alrighty. Ugh. My eyes so itchy. Alright. Here we go. Bro. Alright, guys, this was $23,000 that was invested. So let's see what it's worth now. And it's mostly all AMC, to be honest. Nice. It's not a bad start. Not a bad start. Alrighty. Whoo! Look at those right there. These $12 calls on June 11th. Look at that. $1,600 off 38. That's not too bad. That's pretty sure. 800 off 3,000 off the September $12 strikes. That's not too bad neither. Ain't nobody else making that kind of money. It's only gone up 8% so far. And how much am I making? 25% on this one? 40, 35% on this one? Come on, people. Look at this one. 50%. 50% on the $11 calls. Come on, people. What are we talking about? Let's go, AMC. Where you at? Ooh, GME. What you doing? How you doing, GME? To the moon, AMC. To the moon. Today's going to be a big day, people. Today's a big day. Dang, GME doesn't even got 1 million in volume and it's up 6% right now. Not even 1 million in volume and it's up 6% right now. Holy shit, tomorrow's going to be a bloody day. I can already sense it. They're going to make today so green that they can make tomorrow so bloody. Uh-oh, uh-oh. You guys see that? My screen's freaking out. They hacked my screen, people. Alright, I think we're good. Got a little crazy right there. Okay, but now that's all fucked up. Damn it. Damn it, Bobber. How's the market doing? SPX is almost up 1%. Oh no. Tesla's basically broken even. Interesting. Very interesting. This is wild, people. What a wild market. What a wild world we live in. I feel shocked. Dang, we're at 1156, people. We're up 12%. Holy shit. Holy shit. 1150, people. We've hit a high of 1163. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. GME at a 153, up 6% right now. This is what we talking about, people. This is what we talking about. This is a day we've been waiting for a long time now. Andrew C., what is the... Okay, hold on. Let me catch up in the chat. Yeah, I got June 4th or June 11th. No, I think it's June 4th, GME, 170 strikes. At this point, you might want to do the 180. Just because, like, I'm just talking about, like, as far as profit potential. No, 170 is still good. Like, if you can afford it. It's just, it's more expensive. It's a pricey option. Andrew C., the petition, what it is, there's multiple petitions. One of them is if you really like me, you sign it for me to be the CEO and sole executive of AMC. The GME ones, there's one for a recall of the shares, but there's another one for a stock split. The stock split's an interesting one because there's really no positive or negative about it in real life. Like mathematically, it's just a break even, it's a wash. But what it does is, like, if you did a 10-to-1 stock split, it gives everyone 10 times as many stocks and option contracts. It gives the shorts 10 times as many short contracts, but it lowers the stock price by 10 times the amount. So basically, everyone would get 10 times as much. The stock price would go to $14 instead of $140 for GME. Everyone has the exact same amount of money, but now it's more appetizing to retail amateur investors that don't understand market capitalization, and all they see is GameStop at $14. And so it just makes this look more appetizing. It's a simple petition. Like, you can't hurt anyone that says this is possibly could hurt anything or cause a problem is totally lying. A stock split was only good for other companies and would only be good for us. It makes noise, and then it also makes the stock price look more appetizing, and that's a fact that nobody can deny. Strapped Packers, what up? What up? What up, Phoenix Storm? Alright, where are we at, people? Did they get halted? What's going on here? Did we get halted? Update. Is it my... It's my E-Trade. My E-Trade broken? Uh-oh. What's going on with E-Trade, guys? That's dumb that it says 1147 right here. These charts are so bad. This was actually the same time that it went to 1220. Why does the chart not say 1220 when this time it went to 1220? This is such a bad graph. Like, everyone's drawing their line of this is where it's going to go. But really, this time that it spiked, it went all the way up to here. So why is it only saying that it only went up to here? Now everyone's like, oh, let's cash out because it only went up to here. But no, last time it bounced, it went up to here. Look at this delay, though, guys. It went boom, and then they delayed it, and then it went boom. Here, they crashed it basically to the same spot. And then this one, I don't see the delay. Like, I mean, we know it. We've had a little bit of delay, trading like 2-3% upwards, but like not very fast. But now it's like, I don't know. It seems like they've delayed too many times, and now it's got to have a good pop. And my price, like for some of my options, my price to cash out on some of my options is right here, $12.50. I need another full dollar before I cash out. That's what I'm thinking right now. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? $11.47, people. Ooh, 11.53. Let's go. How's my GME doing? How's my GME doing? Gustavo Rodriguez says, my options are so green. Isn't it a wonderful feeling? Guys, remember, all I'm going to say is 1250 is not guaranteed, and it's never too early to cash out some profits. So if you're doing my trampoline bounce, like maybe now is a good time to cash out 10, 20, 30% of the profits of the options and wait for that 1250 for the other 70%. Like, just remember, like, you don't got to cash out the entire leg to cash out. If you bought 100 contracts, you can cash out 10 of them, and that way if it goes down, at least you cash out something type thing, you know? Like, make your strategy before you get into this. Be knowing what you're prepared to do. What I'm prepared to do is to have the price go back down to $10 and wait 2 more weeks till it hits $12.50. If you're not prepared to do that and you need to make profits on this right now, you better be thinking about cashing out some profits. You hear? You heard? Especially if you're talking about the trampoline stuff. That's what we bet long on the $40 strikes so that we could do the trampoline also. And that way, if it still moons after we cash out some profits, we're still making a fortune. Bro, E-Trade, get your shit together. There we go. Back in action, people. What a day for AMC. Good for AMC. AMC's been deserving this day for a long time. Long time. And it better not be done. We need at least another $1. Today. At least another $1. And guys, trust me, I'm praying for a squeeze. Let's go to a squeeze. My bank account will turn into $2 million. Right? My brother's bank account will turn into $2 million. Like, that's enough for anything I got going on. Like, I'm praying for a squeeze. But, like, I got this bad feeling. Like, not bad feeling. I got this feeling that this could take another 6 months. And then I'm going to make money all the way down that 6 months. And so I'm just ready to make a profit today and show people how it works. Because I know tomorrow's, if they have the power to make tomorrow red, you better believe tomorrow will be red. Holy moly, look at GME get crashed. GME crashing, people. What's going on? Is AMC about to follow? Let's go, AMC. You are not following that trend. Come on, AMC. Come on, AMC. Staying alive. GME, you need to bounce back right meow. You ain't even at 1 million in volume yet. Don't be letting them fuck with your price. Man, that AMC volume pumping though. 30 minutes in and we're at 25 million in volume. $30 minutes in and we're at 25 million in volume. David D. Great thought his deposit cleared and was about to go do some trades, but then realized he's just making some money finally. Hell yeah, Charlie. Just keep it going, buddy. Slow and steady's going to win that race. You've seen what options can do, brother. You know what options have the power to do, so just slowly work it back, brother. Just bet when you know it's good. When it's hot, when it's ripe, hit that sweet money. Hit that sweet cash. When it looks ripe, hit that sweet cash, brother. You know. You know you know. Let's get it, people. We have hit a high today in AMC of 1165, and right now we sit at 1160. Let's go break a new high, people. Let's go break a new high. New record! We're at 1164. 1164, baby. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. 1165. We're touching. 1166. New high. New high confirmed. Come on. Keep going. Don't stop. We're at 1164. It touched 1166 and then pulled back a little. We're at 1162. 1161. Come on. Come on. You're not allowed to just go touch a half a penny new high. You got to break at least 20 cents new high every time you touch a new high. Those are the rules, AMC. The rules. Oh my God, no way. Come on, AMC. We're at 1159. 11 City. 1160. Let's go, go, go. Today is looking to be AMC's day. Every dog has their day. Oh, we're at a new high, people. 1168. 1170's new high. 1170's the new high. 1170, baby. Let's go hit that 12. Let's go hit that 12. It's hunting 12 right now. It's sniffing for it. It says, where my $12 AMC at? Where my $12 AMC at? Let's go. We at 1167 right now. 1165. 1167. Come on. We want 12. We want 12. We want 12. Everybody, we are at new highs. We are at new highs of 1180. We are at new highs of 1180, baby. We're at new highs of 1182, baby. 1183, baby. Let's go. Oh, goodness. GME sitting at a comfortable 151.46, up 4.5%. That's okay. AMC at 1185 of a new high. Just touched today, just now. 15% positive on the day. 15% positive on the day. AMC, baby. 1184 right now with a high of 1186. 1182 right now with the high of 1186. Let's go. 1183, 1181. It's a great day to be AMC. It's a great day to be invested in AMC. Who bought the dip? Oh, look at this one. The June ones. 4,300 was, or no, how much? I bought it for 2,200 and it's worth 2,000. 100% ROI on my $12 strikes right now. 100% ROI, and that was with how much? 30 days till expiration. Had you done 7 days till expiration, you would be printing tendies. You'd be 3, 4, 5, 6x right now. I hope some of you guys made that money, but I am very, very comfortable with this types of profits. All right, so we're going to start cashing out some pretty soon here. I want to see $12, and then I'm going to slowly start cashing some. Where are we at? Where are we at? We are at 1188. 1188, which is our high. We are at the high right now, people. Let's go. Let's go. I'm so glad I called my brother 2 days ago and said, hey, bro, we got to invest again. We were sitting in the $40 strikes, and I'm so glad we're not in the $40. Like, oh, man, we're about to make some money no matter what right now. No matter what right now. The trampoline bounces are real. We are getting paid every weeks. Every weeks. I don't know if it's 1 week or 3 weeks. Sometimes it's both. But we are getting paid from here on out. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. All right. What are you guys doing? What are the apes saying right now? Anybody else making 100% ROI on their investments? Woo! Ivan Crypto almost at a 5x. Chitty chitty bang bang. Ivan Crypto, sell at 12 and buy stock. Sell at 12, buy stock, or sell at 12 and buy deeper out of the money options if you think it's going to keep pushing. My people, they're getting the 5Xs I predicted the last time. They're finally getting paid, people. They're finally getting paid. Woo woo. I'm so glad somebody got to see a 5X. That's great. I'm so glad somebody got to see a 5X because that's real stuff right there. It happens all the time. All it took was what? A 15% movement to get a 5X on your money in one day? Are you kidding me? And that's not even as good as it could be. That's really not as good as it could be. It can get way better. It really can. Look at this one right here. This $11 call I bought right here, which expires this Friday. Expires next week Friday. This one is up 200%. So it cost $231, and right now it's worth $646. Basically a profit of $414. You guys kidding me? You guys kidding me? Easy fucking money. Look at this one. $12.49 was the profit. The cost was $2,100. September expiration, $12 strike, and I get a 50% ROI. And I had till September to hit this shit, people. Are you guys kidding me right now? Look at this one. The 2022 $14 strike. I paid $1,000 for it. It's already 50% ROI, people. What are you doing not playing the trampoline bounce with me right now? Look at my GME June 4th $170 call. I paid $763 for it and it's worth $318. It's a 50% ROI almost. 40%, 30%. What are you guys doing right now? I've been telling you about this. You guys could have been doing this when I was bitching about losing money for the last 2 weeks. You guys could have been doing this the whole time when I told you about it. You guys could have caught the downswing when AMC crashed and then be catching this upswing. Let's go. Let's all start making money. Let's all start making money. AMC could go to $1,000 today, people. My trampoline bounce is cashing out at $12.50 no matter what. But I got $40 strikes that I will never cash out. And so if it goes to $1,000, I still make $10 million, $100 million. Like, I'm covered on both ends. Blah blah says, and it would have only paid today? That's not true. Blah blah is mentally handicapped. It paid on April 25th. Blah blah is mentally handicapped. My idea paid on April 25th. So had you not YOLO'd on April 23rd and been playing all the weeks, you would have definitely got paid April 25th. And then when it crashed all the way for the last 2 weeks, you would have got paid on the puts like I'm about to get paid because I'm going to be buying puts after it hits $12.50. And then you would have been building up on this $12 one again. And so blah blah is a total joke. Ignore blah blah. They don't know anything they're talking about. We're going to ban them because they can't be respectful. We only let respectful trolls stay inside the chat, but not disrespectful ones. So bye-bye, blah, blah. AMC took a little cool down to 1164. That's okay. That's okay. Cool downs happen. I'm feeling so bullish on AMC today. Let's go, AMC. We are 40 minutes in, and we are at 32 million in volume. Holy moly. Holy moly. I'm going to kill it every week from here on out, people. I got a new strategy and it can't lose. Even if AMC crashes to $10 right now, 2 weeks from now it'll still go to $12.50. My strategy can't lose. I challenge the hedgies to prove me wrong. Challenge has already been initiated. I posted that video with the portfolio and I said, can the hedgies beat it? I don't think they can. I don't think so. Oh, man. Let's get together and feel alright. One love, one life. Let's get together and feel alright. Alrighty. Everybody, please go sign the petitions. Sign the petitions, please, please, please. They're all worthwhile. Ashley, you haven't even signed your own petition. Come on now. Here we go. AMC having another little rally. Let's get some volume up there. See what's going on in the volume. Ooh. $11.80. Our last high was $11.88.50. $11.88.5, and we are at $11.77 right now. We're 10 cents off our high. Let's go. Let's go, AMC. Let's do a 50-cent pop right now. 50-cent pop right meow. As Ashley would say, we're jacked to the tits. $11.83. $11.84. $11.85. Let's go. Let's go, go, go. Back down to $11.80. All right. I think I'm going to close out his $11 strikes that expired to... Oh, they expire next week. To expire next week and not... Well, tomorrow it's still... I'm going to close these out. They're too much in the money. It doesn't make sense to hold them. Alright. Sell to close 4 contracts. Limit. What's the price gonna be? We'll do a 150 price, which would be AMC going to 11.90. I like that. Sure, it's all good. It looks good to me. I'll get back $600, and it was a total of $231 cost. Let me get a couple pictures of this real quick. Make sure I got all the data I need. Place order. And it was already filled. Very nice. Good for that trade. That trade closed at 150% profit. That is a good trade. I should have thrown all of his $25,000 into that $10 strike, right? But, like, that's ballsy stuff that I was not willing to do. But that would have put his account at $60,000 in one day, which would have been pretty gangster. But that's okay. That's why we trade lots of things, so that we can win in lots of ways. You don't have to win all at once, but winning at once could be fun. It is fun. I've done it before. It's a lot of fun, trust me. Alrighty, now what are we going to look for? We got 100% on my June 11th, so I should be looking to cash these out pretty quickly. But I would like to see it hit the $12 mark. I would like to see the $12 mark before I cash that one out. But we'll wait and see. I might cash something out before I go to take my doggy to the store. It all depends on how shit goes. I don't know what I'm going to do until I do it, people. I don't know what I'm going to do until I actually do it. That's how I live my life. Wait for the moment and then do what feels right. Derek Nentrup says, what's the $12 call break even? I don't understand that question. I'm up 100% on my $12 strikes. But if you're talking about at expiration, the break even is the strike plus whatever the debit was. Let's get together and feel alright. Oh, one love. Oh, one life. Let's get together and feel alright. Go AMC, let's go. That's interesting to see the NASDAQ recover so strongly, but Tesla not. I feel like tomorrow's going to be a very bloody day for the whole market, including us. But today's the day we make some profits, so it's okay. It's okay. Alright, we just need one more good rally for me to start making my monies. Ooh, we're at 1180. Ooh, we're at 1181. Ooh. 1183, 1184. $1. Let's go. $13 right now. $13 right now. $13. $13 make you holla. $13 make you holla. Oh, freaking Asian game shows. Out of this world. Ooh, 1187, 1189, 1190! New record! 1192.50. 1193 is the new high, people. 1193, new high. New high confirmed. New high confirmed for today. Let's go. 1194. 1196. 1197. Let's break the $12. Come on. Come on. Come on. Do 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 do. Come on, baby. 11.99 is the high so far. We have not broken the $12 mark. We are at 11.99, people. Right now we're at 11.95, but the high is 11.99, 11.97. Come on, people. Let's go. Break it. Break it. Uppercut. Hayuka. Let's go. How's the tendy shop looking? Ooh, the tendy farm looking healthy. Healthy and green. The tendy farm looking green. That's sick. That's sick. That's sick. That's so sick. Let's get together and feel alright. Alright guys, we're at $11.97. Trying to break $12. We're at $11.98. Our high is $11.99. Let's go. Let's go. GME having a nice little bounce. Up 6%. 6% on the day. AMC at $11.97. $11.97. $11.98. $12. We just broke $12. $12 make you holla. 12.03, 12.04, 12.07. 12.07's the new high. Holy moly. We got action, people. We got action. Holy moly. We got action, Jackson. Holy moly. Oh my goodness. What a great timing to get into this little play. What a great timing to get in this little play. My brother going to be happy by the end of next week. By the end of next week, his account's going to be $35,000, $40,000. You guys don't even know yet. You guys don't even know yet. You guys don't even know yet. You guys excited already. You don't even know what's coming. One way or the other. Oh, 12-12, baby. 12-13, the new high. 12-13, the new high. You better believe it. Oh, man. All right, we're at 12.08. We're at 12.08 right now. Good job, AMC. Good job, AMC. Way to defend the people. Way to be there when the people need you the most. Good job, AMC. Good job, AMC. Papa AMC. It's not a person. It's just a thing. It's God energy. AMC is the God energy. It's the people working together to defeat Satan. Good job, AMC. Good job, the people. The people are diamond handers. It's legit. Nobody can deny. $12.14's the new high, but right now we're sitting at $12.09, $12.07, $12.06, $12.07, $12.08, $12.09, $12.10. Damn, AMC is going up today, people. AMC going up today, people. Godpill, how can I help you? Hello?
Dude.
What's up?
Yo, what up?
What up, man?
This is Arshia.
Oh, what up, bro?
How are you?
Bro, did you see the portfolio that I'm using for my brother?
I didn't see shit. I'm traveling.
So check
I
this
just
out, bro.
woke
Like,
up and
I called my brother 2 days ago, and he's got $25,000 in the $40 strikes on AMC for 2023. And I tell him that, like, I got a new strategy to get, like we still want to put some on there in case it squeezes. We want to make a fortune, right? But if it doesn't, like, we want to be making money every week now. And so I moved a bunch of money into all these different options at, like, $12 strikes and $8 puts. And basically, we're up $5,000 on the day from 25 grand, and like my best trade has already made 200% on its money. My next best trade's already made 100% on its money. My next best trade already made 50% on its money. And basically every time AMC pops 20% one direction or the other, I'm gonna start making 50% of my account balance total. And so if it
so basically you're saying we're back.
We're back, brother. If this shit
Are
lasts,
we back, baby? Are we back?
Bro, if this shit lasts another 3 months, I'm gonna have $2 million in my bank account, making 50% at a time. We back, baby. We fucking back.
Yeah, I think something good's brewing right now. That's why I called.
Hell yeah, brother. We got a whale on the phone, people. Arshia is the boss. In case anybody wanted to know, Arshia boss. We appreciate the support, brother.
No problem, man. I'll stay tuned in. Talk to you soon.
Hell yeah.
All right, brother.
All right, bye. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's go, people. We back. We back in action, Jackson. Woo! AMC having a little bit of a cool off at 11.97. That's okay. That's okay. AMC's having a great day. Let's go. Arshia is not a girl. He's just a good guy. A hard-working man chasing the American dream. Let's see how the account's looking. How's it holding up? So we already cashed the $11 strikeout for about 200% profit. Our June 11th expiration. So we had 28 more days to try to hit our $12 strike right here. And we are already up over 100%. So we bought in for $2,200. And right now we could close it out for $5,100, which is a net profit of $2,900, which is a net ROI of 125% or some shit. Holy moly. And then we got a September one right here. We paid $2,100 for, and it is worth $3,500, a net profit of $1,400, which is 60-70% ROI. Then we got, and look at these ones, guys. So that's still counting like we've lost money a lot in these puts, right? But when the market, if the market goes back to $10, the puts will get their money back. So when I cash these guys out for their profits, it's going to be a good thing. It's going to be a great thing. All right, guys. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually cash out the 140%, 120% profit once it hits $12 again. If it hits $12.12, once we get back to the old high, I'm going to cash out those ones for the 100-something profit. Once we get back to $12.14, wherever it hits the next high, that's where I'm going to, and then comes back to $12.14. So if it goes above $12.14 and then hits $12.14 again, that's when I'm going to cash these guys out. But if it goes to $12.50 before hitting $12.14 again, then I'm going to cash these guys out at $12.50. And then I'm going to cash out the rest of them at $12.50 except for the $14 strikes for the 2021s. I'm going to cash these out at the end of the day no matter what, just because I think tomorrow's going to be red. And I'm going to buy puts on the $10 strike for AMC tomorrow. But I'm going to keep my $40 strike. So if it moons tomorrow, I'm still getting millions and millions of dollars just like all of you guys. So don't think that I'm betting that I'm betting that AMC is going down, but just for a fucking day. And overall, if it still goes up a fortune, I make a fortune too with you guys. So if anyone tries to give me crap about buying puts, you're going to really piss me off. So don't do it, please. Please don't do it. You don't want to piss me off. You won't like me when I'm angry. That's what I hear at least. I like me when I'm angry. I think it's hilarious. I think it's fun. I enjoy this stuff. But I hear everyone else gets a little offended. AMC trying to have a pullback, but we know it's a fake. We all know it's a fake. Not financial advice, not a guarantee. I'm just telling you what I feel. I'm just telling you what I feel. $50 million in volume on AMC, and we are 1 hour in, people. We might be hitting 200 million in volume today. We might be hitting 200 million in volume today. Holy moly. Nah, AMC is not selling off for GME. That's never happened. It's never gonna happen. Both of them have their own diamond handers, and both people, some people are in both, but they are not closing out. If you guys want proof of that, just look at the last 4 months. If they were gonna cash out of AMC and go into GME, they would have done that long, long ago. Long, long ago. That is not happening. Dope T4H2CO says, how do I close my option order on TD Ameritrade? You go like this. You click on an order. So I'm going to close out. Let's close out some of these. I'm going to close out. How many contracts I got? I got 22 here. I'm going to close out 2 of these contracts. Oops. Let me go back. So I'm going to come here to the 2022. Oops, not that. I didn't mean that. I'm going to come here to the June 11th, 2021 $12 call. I'm going to hover over, and then I'm going to hit sell button. Down here, it's going to say sell to close. You want to sell to close. Instead of doing 22, I'm just going to do 2 contracts because I'm not trying to close them all yet, but I want to show you how it works. And then I'm looking right here, and I see my $12 call, and I see that the ask price is $226. So I can sell for $204 right now instantly, or I can put a number that I want to sell at and then let it go up to that number. And so I'm going to do a limit order, and I'm going to say 225 is the number I want it to sell at. It's not going to close these 2 contracts until somebody's willing to buy them for $225 a piece. So I'm expecting $450 when I close these. If I go to review order, it says $450. I owe $1.30 to TD Ameritrade, so it will net cash out into my account $448.70. I place order. Order has been placed, and now I wait for this to be filled. Right now it's open, and we are just waiting for it to be filled. And it will fill shortly, depending on what the stock price needs to be at. I'm sure it will fill very quickly. Probably when AMC hits like 11.90 or something. If you want it to fill faster, just lower the number. If you do the bid price, it will close automatically. Unless the bid price dropped after you executed it, then you're going to have to go and change the bid price and lower it again if it didn't fill automatically. But I like to set it at a number where I think it's going to go up just a hair and then close out, and let it close out like naturally through a number I chose rather than through just the lowest number. Just because the odds of it not going up 10 cents at this point, even if it was going to crash, the odds of it not going up 10 cents first are just so astronomically low. Like, for me to be like that, to miss it by like 1 minute or whatever, or one bounce or whatever after seeing this many bounces, like, it's just not realistic to me. So I'm not stressed about those options closing, right? But if you're stressed about it, then you're going to want to do the bid price. Do the bid price if you're stressed. Otherwise, set your own price that you're comfortable with, that you know you'll be happy with. I am so glad people finally got to make some fucking money off options. That's all I know. That shit makes me happy. Sorry, I'm on the website, people. AMC at 11.90. Our last high was 12.14. So we're 24 cents off the high. GameStop at 6.66% positive at 154.44. Now 6.75% positive. AMC at 11.94. GameStop about to break 155 for 7% positive. AMC at 11.94, 11.98, 11.99, back to $12. Almost to $12, almost to $12, 11.99, 11.98, 11.98, 11.99, 11.99, 1204, 1204. We're back to $12, people. 1207, 1208, 1208, 1208, 1205. Did the order clear? Boom. And the order cleared, people. The 2 contracts cleared at the 225, like I predicted. You see how that works? It's nice and easy. Closing options is no problem, people. Closing options is no problem for a profit. It's never a problem. Especially if you're willing to use the bid price. If you like the bid price, you are good to go. We are at 1215, 1218, 1218. New high, people. We are at a new high. 1221 is the new high, actually. We had 1221 on this burst. Oh, here we go. We're still going. We're still going. 1222. 1222 is the new high. 1223. 1223, baby. That's what we hit on April 25th. We hit 1220. April 25th is the high. We have just broken that high from April 25th, people. We have just broken a 3-week high, people. AMC all day, baby. Let's go. GME up to 155.50 at 7.5% positive. AMC at 18.5% positive at 1220. Holy moly, people. How's the bank accounts looking? Everybody printing tendies? Let's make some monies. Holy moly, we're making some tendies finally. It's a beautiful thing. It's a glorious occasion. Hey, Alamo, you do not buy a $12 call no more. Do not buy a $12 call. Now is not the time to buy a $12 call. Have you not been studying what I've been teaching you people? I'm about to close my positions. Do not buy now. Holy moly, you guys are crazy. We're back to 1220, people. We're at 1218, 1220, 1218, 1219, 1220, 1220. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. GME at 156. AMC at 1218, 1219. Holy moly. The apes in the chat are crazy. Alright, we are gonna check this guy out. And we're gonna come here. I'm gonna sell these guys. And right now, the price for these is $238, so I'm going to do $250 even. For 20 of them, for a net of $5,000. I like it. That's a good fucking trade right there. I like it a lot. Then, let's come back to my positions. Guys, I still have the $40 strikes right here in 2023. I will never close these positions, no matter how high it goes. AMC could go to 1,000 right now today. The only way I close these positions if I exercise them. Does that make sense? So don't worry about what's going on here because, like, this money is going to pay if it squeezes. If the AMC squeezes, this money's going to pay all day. So I'm trying to cash out profits until that happens. This guy's looking beautiful, AF. So the ask price, the cost was $390. Oh, that's not accurate. Okay. We're going to close this guy out for, say, $5 even. But let's see. We're saying 4 times 9 is the 36. That makes sense. If it was 5 times 9, it'd be 45. That makes sense. And do we think that's possible with the what? This is the 7. No, we won't go that high. So we're going to go 450. So at 450. Okay. Should be $4,000. That sounds perfect to me. Okay. Options. Oops. I'm not going to buy any puts for going back to $10 until the end of the day. I just want to see what happens. If I miss out on some puts, I'm okay with that. We made enough money already. Like, I'm going to wait till I get back with my dog and stuff to do that. All right, the $14 call is the last one. And I'm going to let these ones hold till probably $14 or so. I'll cash them out for 100% profit, though. So, basically, right now, I bought them for $1,000. And there was 4 contracts, so $250 a piece. So I'll sell them at $550 a piece. Perfect. All right, guys. I got all my options that I was prepared to close at some point today set up to close if the number hits. If it squeezes, I got my $40 strike, so I'm not worried about it. Yeah. And then basically at the end of the day, I'm going to come back in, and if we're still at if we haven't dropped all the way to $10 already, then I'm going to buy some $10 puts. That is the plan. Do you know the way? I'm going to throw someone do that GME thing also. All right, GME. Oh, hold on. All right, so this guy cost $1,800 and it's worth okay, that's my 950 strikes. But this one's $700 and it's made 500. That's pretty good. That's the June 4th expiration. Okay, this one that expires tomorrow, I'm going to need to cash out today no matter what. This one expires next Friday. I could probably hold on. So I'm going to hold my 170s, I think. My 200s. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to hold on to these for now. The 170 June, I'll probably cash out if it hits 170. But the 200s, I'm going to hold on to. We'll see if those can print. Yeah, I'm liking what I see, people. I'm not buying any options right now. If anything, if I bought any option right now, it'd be a $10 put on AMC. But I'm waiting to do that. Expiring June 11th or January 2022. You've already seen they all make money, right? So go back and look at my options, see how much theta they have, see how much profits they're making, see what's comfortable with your risk-reward measures, and then bet on that one. But basically, the more theta you give it, the more you're giving yourself weeks to hit to still make a profit. So you don't have to hit tomorrow. Does that make sense? Like, I'm lucky to hit today, but like if I would have hit 2 weeks from now, I still would have been acting the same way, making the same money. Because they had so much theta. Come on, people. It's easy work. It's easy work. Like, today was the proof. Today was the proof. You guys saw options print all over the board, all different types of printing, and it's all because of the different types of theta and different strikes. I literally just showed you every different type of possible, like, option possibility. I showed you puts and how much they can lose when this happens. No, my things have super high theta. All the options I just closed out for profits, well, the ones I closed out were the ones that had short theta, but I didn't put a lot of money in them. But the ones that I'm trying to close out right now, they all got 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months of theta. What are you guys talking about, little theta? Theta means time to expire. That is heavy theta. Little theta is 1 week to expire. Heavy theta is 1 month, 1 year, 2 years to expire. We like heavy theta, but it profits less. So you got to find how bullish you want to be with how conservative you want to be. Like, you got to find your own balance. My balance is playing all the expiration days and mixing up the risk. That is my balance. This is how I feel good about it. This is how I play the riskier stuff. I didn't throw everything on June. I wish I would have thrown everything on June. I would have made 200% on all of my money already. But I didn't fucking do that. I spread it out because I want to be safe with my money. And I did calls and puts because I didn't know if it was going to go up or down. And now I'm making money because of it. Look at this, people. $30,000. It was at $23,000 2 days ago. Come on, people. Come on, people. What are we talking about? We made $6,000 today off $23,000 invested. And after I invested the $23,000, it said I only had $21,000. So we've actually made $8,000 today. And I'm cashing these profits out too. We're at 12:05, 12:08, baby. AMC about to hit a new high again. Let's go. Let's go. I got 20 minutes before I got to go take my dog to the freaking vet or whatever. So hopefully we hit that 12:50 before then. Because all my things that I just set up to sell will close at 12:50. Except for the $14 strike. That one probably got to go to $13.50. I hope we hit 15 today. I hope we hit 1,000 today, people. Like, I really do. But I'm making money no matter what. I've already made money. I've already cashed out profits. I basically can't lose at this point. If it crashes to $8, I'm making money on that too. Like, guys, I'm set. I'm set. I'm feeling so confident right now. I don't think they can beat us no more. This new plan, it feels bulletproof. I really feel bulletproof. Like, they could trade sideways, but how long? 2 weeks? A month? They can't trade sideways for 6 months. And I got 6 months to wait right now and still make a profit. Come on. Let's go, people. We're at 12:10, baby. We're at 12:10, baby. Let's go. Let's go. 12:15. 12:15, baby. You know it. You know what it is. Woo! AMC in the house. GME at 155, up 7.5%. I don't hate that neither. One thing's for sure and two things are for certain. We make money. Chris Marley says minus 72K. What does that mean, Chris Marley? Are you talking about me? Yeah, I mean, I'm minus $800,000. So, yeah. If you're saying you're minus 72K, that sucks. I feel sorry for that. That's pretty brutal. I don't know why Ashley deleted your comment. Ashley, why you hide Chris Marley? Did you mean to do that, Ashley? I don't see anything wrong with him saying minus 72K. That's definitely not in relation to the account I just showed. Alrighty. We got 56 apes in the chat. Everyone was just waiting to come back, waiting for AMC to do something before they come back and see what's going on with GodPill. I appreciate you guys stopping in to see. It's all good news. It's all good news. There's been some ups and downs, but everything's good. I couldn't be happier. Life feels pretty easy still. It's a great day to be an ape. It's a great day to be an ape. Devin Doherty is a loser. Says, love watching this channel die as we're printing mad tendies. Nobody else's channel is profiting 40% on their money. Only the GodPill channel is profiting 40% on their money that they YOLO'd 2 days ago. Only the GodPill channel. I'm pretty sure of it. If you look at the total account balance and somebody had a strategy where they put in everything and right now they're up 40%, go find me another YouTuber able to make that claim. Can anyone go find me another YouTuber able to make that claim? Anybody? Damn, Brian Brown is in it to win it. Brian Brown is in it to win it. Holy cow. Let's go. Hell yeah, Richard Jacob. You're welcome, man. Dope 4H2CO says up 180%. Hell yeah. Are you up 180% on your entire account balance? Or are you up today, like from what you invested total? Or 180% on your best investment? Because if you bet everything and you're up 180% in that one thing and you just YOLO'd everything, that's ballsy and that's awesome. And that's something that I would have done a month ago. And I love it. I love it, brother. I love it. I love it a lot. That's cool, dope. That's still good. 180% is a big, that's a big investment. Now that you've tasted it, now that you've seen how the opportunity works, how you can capitalize on that opportunity, what cheap options are capable of, now you're ready to make money any other time. Like, I know you've known or you've seen times where you knew a stock was going to go up and you just didn't know how to play it. But now you guys all know how to play it. You guys know. So someday you're going to be hearing the news, reading news, and you're like, oh, fuck, I'm betting that for sure. And then you're going to bet, and you'll be like, fuck, God, Bill, thank you for letting me know how to bet that shit. Count Crypto says, we expecting good pullback tomorrow? I sure am. If you guys want to understand, this is not me trying to be a shill at all. I will back it up with math, people. My math suggests that we are getting a pullback tomorrow. That today is the day to cash out some profits. Now, if it's a squeeze, obviously a squeeze. So in January, let's go back to January. When the squeeze happened, right? So basically, Friday was January 29th. We went to a high of $16. We closed at $13.26. And the day before, we had closed at $8.63 on a Thursday. So we skyrocketed up 100%, and then we fell down and only had a 50% profit. Then every day after that basically just got worse, and we lost a bunch of money all the way until that end of February event, okay? So let's go look after the February event, which was right here. So this was the Thursday, February 24th. No, February 24th was a Wednesday. February 25th was a Thursday. And then Friday was February 26th. So look, we hit a high of $11 on February 25th, the Thursday, like today. And then on Friday, we hit $7.63 as the close. Or no, as the low. The close was $8. So we went from $11 to $8. We literally lost 30% of our value in one day after skyrocketing from this week. We went from $6 to $11. We went up to $5.75, $5.50 in 1 week. We went $5.50 to $11. So 100% in 1 week. And then we lost 33% of that in one day on a Friday. Because Fridays is when they really lose the money, is when the options really close. And most people don't close out the options like we are. And so they don't usually get paid. So you guys got to be cashing out your options for profits today. At least most of them. If you want to hold on some of them for tomorrow, or like the $40 strikes, that stuff makes sense. But if you're doing the $12 strikes with me and you're not cashing them out, you're out of your fucking mind. So let's keep going and look at this pattern. So here's the Friday on March 5th now, right? So the low was $7.63 and the close was $8.05. The close the day before was $8.03. So basically it just didn't go up, right? But look at that earlier in the week. Earlier in the week we were at $9.18. So we dropped the full dollar. Because after that close on Friday, when we dropped this 801, the next day it opened up to 945. It went up 15% the next day. Okay, so this one we dropped to 805. The next day goes up 50 cents on a Monday. If we look to that Friday or the last day of that week, it goes. So this one, we went all the way up to 1247 as a high by Wednesday. And then we crashed and closed all the way at 994 on the Friday. Wait, is that the close or? Oops. Oh, no, that's the low. Okay, so no. So this 1116, it actually looks like this Friday was one Friday that we did beat them. So we closed at 1028 the day before. We opened, we went to a low of 994, and then it bounced all the way back to 1116. So we beat them. But then if you look, the reason we beat them on this day is because we crushed them here on this Monday. So that means this was a trampoline bounce that they couldn't stop, and they tried to stall the bounce, and they never really let it go up during the week. And so when they tried, it only went to 1247, and then they tried to crash it back down. And when they tried to crash it back down, it had nothing to do but bounce right back up. And so there's like a 3-day period when it went to $12, dropped to $10, went back to $12. I'm printing tendies like crazy every time that happens. Then it went all the way to $14, people. So if we look at this, we might be going to the $14 mark. I think we might be breaking this mark. It feels like we're actually following this kind of pattern. So we may have another week of good weeks, but if we do, then expect that next Friday to be the absolute worst Friday. Like if next Monday is a good Monday, oh man, I don't know what to think right now. Let's see what happens today, people. Let's see what happens today. But if you continue the pattern, let's go ahead and continue the pattern real quick. So this is a Monday. We're at 1449 was a high. Our close right here is 1404, and then 1356, and then the Friday is 1393. So we went down a little bit. Then all the way to next Friday, we just got crushed all the way down to $10. And then all the way to next Friday, we got crushed down to $9. And then all the way to next Friday, we got held to 942. And then all the way to next Friday, we got held to 933. All the way to next Friday, we got held to 1016. So we went up a little bit, but they don't want no pop happening. All the way to next Friday, we got held to 1003. And you see, we get $12 pop in the middle of the week, but all the way back down to $10. And then now we're here. So this is suggesting that we are actually going to go above the $15 mark. Holy moly. This is looking a lot like that last bounce where we broke the $14 mark. This is looking a lot like that last one where they suppressed the $12 bounce midweek. They suppressed it midweek and they crushed it back down again. And now we're bouncing at the end of the week. It looks like we're actually probably going to bounce tomorrow and all next week. And then by next Friday, they're going to crush it. That's what the pattern looks like. So I'm going to make a couple bets on that. So I'll show you guys at the end of the day how I'm going to play it, but I'm not going to play it yet. I'm going to wait till the end of the day to play it. I hope that makes sense to everybody. I hope everybody just saw what I just saw. Austin Reisner, there's more dislikes than uplikes because everybody hates the God pill. There's more haters than lovers of people of God pill. But it's only because we've been losing money for 3 months. But once we start making money for 30 days, they're all going to love me. They're all going to be like, wow, God pill's so great. How do we do all this for us? That's amazing. Wow. God pill amazing. All right, guys. I got to take my dog somewhere. I will be back as soon as I can be, but it probably won't be till 10 or 11 o'clock Pacific time. So basically, I'll be here for like the last 2 hours of the market. But today is looking like a great mother effing day. I hope you guys all are feeling it as well. I will see you soon. Any final questions before I go? We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. God Pill, how can I help you?
Yo, dude, are you strapped in and ready to go to the freaking moon, dude?
Dude, bro, I'm feeling it today. Today's so hyped. Today's so good.
Dude, I am like, oh my God, I am like ready to cream my jeans, dude.
It's a great day,
I
man.
can't even tell you, dude.
Like, I already know. I haven't talked to my brother yet, but I already know he's going to be stoked to see his account. Like,
Oh my
it's
God, he's
not a
gonna
lot
be
of
fucking
money.
so.
Like
Dude.
it's not a lot of money to him. He's got a decent amount of money in his account. Like his
Yeah.
normal accounts, he's got a business and stuff. But the fact that he sees that the strategy is paying off, and like he knows how
Yeah.
compounding interest works, and so he knows that if this does last for another 3 months, like his friends are telling him it's going to last for another 3 months, that he's getting rich either way. So I know he's going to be stoked. I'm stoked. Like, today's a great fucking day.
Dude, you came in clutch for him, buddy. That's awesome.
Hell yeah.
All right, so we got to start coming up with a strategy after it squeezes where we're all going to be partying, dude.
Oh yeah. We're gonna rent a cruise ship, brother. We're gonna rent a cruise ship. You gotta have GME or AMC stocker options to get on board, and we're gonna party hard.
All right, man. Sounds good. I'll talk to you later.
Later. I don't know if I'm doing the $10 puts. Guys, I'm gonna do a little something different, like with a little bit of money, bet a really bullish bet. Also, I'll show you guys how to do that on like early to expire options, just in case next week's really good. But I still want to stick to my script, so I'm still gonna follow my script. But I'm gonna show you guys how to use a little bit of money to where if my script is wrong, I'm gonna make a fortune like you guys would if you think it's gonna go to $15. Guys, just trust me. Don't do anything with your money yet. Let's wait till the end of the day. I will be back. I got a plan for this, and we're gonna beat the hedgies, people. I'm gonna play every single side, every single possibility, every single week. Like, they will not beat us, I promise. So stick around. I'll be back. Good things are coming. Good things are coming for sure. Let me monetize this video because I deserve to get paid for telling you guys all this information. I definitely deserve to get paid for this video. So I'm going to monetize it. Because I deserve it. Because the information's so good. And if you're too broke to buy freaking $10 monthly subscription on YouTube, you deserve to pay me money because you're going to go pay someone else money by watching their ads. So you might as well pay me money. GodPill, how can I help you?
Hey, it's Ashley. You missed my message, so I felt the need to tell you.
The catalyst.
And call in. But GameStop has a new Twitter called @GameStop Esports. So that is a bullish and game changer for GameStop.
Why is it game changer?
Pivoting into esports.
Like, you're saying, like, there's just like tournaments
Yeah,
and stuff that, like,
Twitter
didn't they do that
handle.
before? Or does GameStop never been part of the tournament stuff, the tournament play?
No, they've never done it before.
Oh,
It
nice.
was
That's
a
cool.
rumor that they were going
I
to,
like that.
and they literally just made a Twitter, so I'm going to go ahead and say they're doing it.
I like that a lot. Thanks for the call, Ashley.
Yep, bye.
Bye. Anything else? All right, people. I'll see you in a little bit.